what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey, reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 62 and a low 45, and it's cloudy. Here's an Easter fact. Did you know Easter is also known as Easter Sunday? See you guys tomorrow and happy National Unicorn Day. Here's a unicorn. There's a unicorn. All unicorns!
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, 2019. Here are your morning announcements.
There will be a volleyball season-ending scrimmage Wednesday this week. Please bring your uniform cleaned and a drink for our gathering. We will meet 3:30 to 5:30. 5.
There will be a Mullica Morning Howl meeting this Thursday with Mr. Smith and Miss Sheldon from 3:35 to 4:25.
Rocker Club will meet today with Mr. A and Ms. Bartling from 3:30 to 4:30.
Senior band meets today after school.
Robotics meets today after school with Mr. Gerber from 3:30 to 5:30.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Coyotes. Enjoy your day.
Bye!